Children, we have word problem of division. First, I am reading the sum. The number of trees were planted equally in 9 different parks is 7,623. So, try to understand the sum. 9 parks they planted. How many trees? 7,623. How many trees would be planted in one park? Always, when they are telling about more and demanding about one, that is sum of division. So how to write the solution for that? Again, number of trees in 9 park 7,623. So how many trees would be planted in one park? So we have to start solution from number of trees planted in 9 parks. How many? 7,623. Number of trees planted in one park, we have to divide. What we have to do? 7,623 divided by 9. First come to the very next number. Very next number is next 9, that is 7. 7 is less than 9, so it is not possible to divide. So we will take two numbers, 76. Now count the table of 9 and stop less than 76. Not more than 76. So 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 81 is more than 76, so not possible. We will do it now. 6 minus 2, we have 4, 0. So now count table of 9, not more than 42. So it will be 9 4s are 36. So you have to count it like that. So here we have 60, then take down 3. So 9, now count the table of 9 till 63. You know that 63 is coming in table of 9. So it is possible to divide. So 9 7s are 63. So remainder we have 0. Remainder we have 0. So what is the answer? Number of trees planted in one park, that is 847. And always remember that your answer is always in your question. So how many trees would be planted in one park? 847 trees. So this is the answer. 847 trees would be planted in one park. So this is very easy to find out the word problem is of multiplication or division. Multiplication, they are telling about the one and demanding about the more. But division, they will always, the sum will tell us about the more and less. Less means 1. They will ask about the 1 always. So this is the main clue of division word problem, that 9 different parks, number of trees, this 1 park. So what they are saying, how many trees? So this object should be always after is equal to. So this is the way how you write your statement. Number of trees planted in 9 park is equal to, you have to write only number there. So we have to start like number of trees. So divide it. If the remainder is there, then their statement answer should be changed. But here we have 847 trees. So it should be like that. So here 7,635 stickers were distributed equally in 16 different schools. How many stickers did each school get? Were there any sticker left over? So now number of stickers we have 7,635. How many schools? 16 different schools. How many stickers did each school get? Each means 1. So are telling about 16 and demanding 1 less. So the question is of division. So you have to do 6,735 divided by 16. If the remainder is here at the end, means that much stickers left over. And the question will be stickers. Questions will be stickers and remainder will be left over. Left over. So this is the way how to solve the sum. So next problem sum is, in a bus there were 12 rows of seats. If the bus can hold 540 passengers, then how many seats are there in one row? So 12 rows are there in a bus. So it's understood that if the bus can hold 540 passengers, means number of passengers in 12 rows, we have 540. So what we have to find out? We have to find out number of passengers in one row. For that, more, and we have to take out less. So this is word problem of division. 540 divided by 12. So what to do? Now here we have 5 is less than 12, 2 digit. So we have to take 54. Now count the table of 12 less than 54. Count the table of 12 less than 54. So now we have 12 threes are 48. 12 fours are that are less than and more than 54. So we have to do 12 fours are 48. So now here we have 6. Then take out 0. So we have 12 eights are 60. So count the table of 12. So 60 is coming in table of 12. So we have 12 eights are 60. So here our number of passengers in one row. Now we have number of passengers in one row 38. So what is the answer? Answer is what they are saying, how many seats are there in each row. So how many seats means one seat, one passenger. So here 540 passengers means we have 540 rows. So number of passengers in 12 rows 540. So we have to take out number of passengers, they are 38. So that 38 seats they need. How many seats are in each row? 38 seats are there in one row. 38 seats are there in one row.